Hello everyone. So here I am with a new topic, that is a 12th standard physical chemistry topic. So very important regarding with the physical chemistry in physical chemistry, that is topic name is solutions. So it is a important topic. So let's start with this solutions. So in this chapter we are going to learn about whole liquid solutions. So before going to the topic, so we will start with the definition of the solution. What is the meaning of solution here first? So it is a homogeneous mixture of two components. So what is the meaning of homogeneous mixture here? Means a mixture, it is a mixture having, one second, okay, a mixture having uniform distribution of components. For example, with an example we will explain this one. If I am dissolving NaCl in water, see, after dissolving this one I will get one new solution. So in this solution, if I check the composition, so uniform distribution of components also, and composition will be uniform, composition also uniform. You can check here. Suppose I am adding NaCl in water. So if I am check this portion or this portion or this portion, the properties of this portion will be equal to this portion only, no? So it is not meaning that like here I am getting salt more amount, here I am getting the salt less amount. No, uniform distribution of the components will be there. If NaCl will be here, it will be what amount will be there quantitatively. Here also same amount will be there. So that is only called as homogeneous mixture. So this is only called the meaning of homogeneous mixture. And I am saying here that is two components. So which are those two components? Actually this solution is made up of two components. One is, that is solute, and other will be solvent. So what is the meaning of solute here? So generally for our generalization process, so solute, we will consider it as a solute, the which component, a component which is in less quantity is called as a solute. We will consider it as a solute, and a component which is in more quantity will call that as a solvent. So now with an example we will consider that what is solvent, what is solute. Actually if I am talking about this one solution I am having, that solution contain sugar, 10 gram of sugar I am having in water. So how much ml of water? Like around, I will take 100 ml of water. So now I will get one solution that is called sugar solution. So now we can say that, so sugar I am taking, whatever sugar I am taking in less quantity only. Less quantity I am taking here. So less quantity means of course it is what? It is, we'll consider it as a solute only. And water I am involving here. So this water is in more quantity, it is there. More quantity it is there. So more quantity means it is, of course it is a solvent. So now solute plus solvent, so will give us to what? Will give us to solution. So this is only called as solution. These two components, mixed solute and solvent, will be involving in solution. Now one more term will define here, that is called as a binary solution. Binary solution. It is a mixture of only two components. Only two components are called as a binary solution. Example, that is only salt in water or sugar in water. So this is called as a binary solution. These are binary solutions, means only two components are there, no extra solute is there, no two, like for example I am talking about this one, nitrogen in atmosphere, nitrogen also will be there, and carbon dioxide also will be there, and oxygen also will be there. Those are not called as the binary solutions. So those are called as the ternary solutions, quaternary solutions will be coming in those classifications. So this is about binary solution now. So next, coming to the types of solutions, very important here, types of solution. So types of solutions, we can categorize solution into three types. One is gas solution, and next will be liquid solution, and third will be solid solution. Solid solution. So now what is the meaning of gas solution and what is the meaning of liquid and solid solution? We will discuss one by one here. So gas solution means, so generally in this one solvent will be gas only, and solute it vary, it depend upon, solvent will be gas, okay, solute will be, it is a gas also, maybe liquid, maybe solid also. So first case we'll take here, that is solid in gas. It means that solid is a solute here, solid is a solute, gas is a solvent here. Any example for this one? Solid should be in less amount and solvent should be in more amount. Like for example, that is after burning like charcoal, will get carbon particles, that is unburned carbon particles. Unburned carbon particles will be present in solvent, that is gas. Or when we burn camphor, better example, camphor in gas. So this is one example for solid is solute, gas is solvent. That is a camphor is a solid here, and like here, that is gas, oxygen will be solvent. This is case 1. When we talk about case 2, that is liquid in gas. This one, for example, if liquid should be solute and gas should be solvent. So for this one, what we can take, what we can take example, that is fog we can take, fog or mist we can take. So in this one, what water droplets present in air. So this is air, water droplets are solute, and this air is a solvent here, of course. So next case number 3, so we'll take gas in gas solution. So for this one example, what we can take example? So for a simple example, oxygen in nitrogen. In atmosphere, nitrogen will be in excess amount, oxygen will be less amount. This is also one example for gas in gas solution. Coming to the liquid solution, next liquid solution. So liquid solution, for example, case number 1 here also, that is solid in liquid. Here liquid is a solvent and solid is a solute. So what is the example for this one? Simple examples, lot of examples are there. Sugar in water, this is also an example. Then coming to the case number 2, for this one case number 2, what we can take? So this is liquid in liquid solution, liquid in liquid solution. So for this one, what is example? Ethanol, better example, ethanol in water. Here ethanol is a solute and water is a solvent. Case number 3, what is the case number 3? Here we can take case number 3 is gas in liquid solution. Gas in liquid solution. So oxygen dissolved in water. So this is one of the example here. Less amount of oxygen will be dissolving in water. So that's why here oxygen is solute and water is solvent, of course. So next, coming to the last classification, that is solid solution. Solid solution. Here case number 1, so that is gas in solid. So here gas in solid will take this example. For example, so here gas should be solute and solid should be solvent. So for this one, what we can take example? This one will use hydrogenation reaction of alkene. What will use? We will use hydrogen gas on palladium catalyst. So what is here? This palladium catalyst is solvent only, and this hydrogen gas is solute here. So this is one example here. Okay. So next, one more example, that is case number 2 will take, not example, case number 2, that is liquid in solid. Liquid is a solute here and solid is a solvent. So for this one, what is the example for this? So liquid in solid. So will in dentistry what they will use means, or not in dentistry, you can take that is gold amalgam also we can take, or else simple sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam. So here to reduce the reactivity, to reduce the reactivity of sodium, mercury is added to sodium, or mercury is mixed with sodium. Here mercury is solute which is in liquid in form, and sodium is solvent. So this is one example for liquid in solid. Next, last case, that is case 3, that is solid in solid. Solid in solid. So solid in solid, have you heard a name about alloy? Alloy, so it is a mixture of metals and metals, or metals and non-metals, or metals plus non-metals. We can do that is only called as alloys. So one alloy is like pure gold is not like that much it is useful for making jewelries. So what they will use means to make it hard. So what they will use means they will add copper to gold. So here copper is in less amount, less, so that's why it will act as a solute. Here gold is in more quantity, it will act as a solvent. So this is the one example, that is solid in solid solution. So remaining that is how to measure the concentration terms we have to define. Those concentration terms will take in next video. So for this video, this much only. Thank you.